Hello guys, this is a daily roundup for GBPJPY and gold. Today we're gonna discuss about what happened during the day and also these three setups that we analyzed during the day. So the daily candle closed bullish, very strong bullish, breaking the support after finding support here. I was expecting this move up. And the 4-hour candle also moved up, closed here, hour candle, and then moved up. Now we're starting to reject this zone here, which is right over here. This zone is being rejected here, and now we can potentially start to move down. However, considering the new daily candle, it's in a very strong momentum, but yeah, we're up for a retracement. If we come flip, make a wick, come flip in high volume times, you can look for buys obviously. And yeah, but we're breaking the lows now, and we can keep going down till this level of support here, at least come till here and then move up. We will see. 1 hour time frame, 1 hour. This was the New York Open. After New York Open, prices shoot up in London. In London, basically we were just ranging, so nothing happened after London. We moved a bit up, then down, and then we shoot straight up for New York. That's about for GJ. For gold, let's go on a daily. Daily close bearish on gold. Never even flipping to move up and breaking the previous day lows in anticipating possible switch in momentum. Weekly created a nice lower wick, upper wick. Now we're up for retracement. Yesterday we shoot up. Today we're retracing. This is the 7 a.m. candle, which moved quite a lot. And now we're basically found some support here. Now we're in this range, stuck in this range on a 4-hour time frame. On a 1-hour time frame, here is 9 a.m. candle. As soon as London Open, prices shoot up, breaking these resistance, filling these wicks, retesting these levels again. And then on New York Open, we shoot up, we shoot back up, and then we moved up. I wanted to take sells because this is retest the low here, this setup, but this candle had no wick here, as you can see guys. So if the candle in 1 hour has no wick, I was quite afraid, because we just start moving down, and I was afraid to take that sell, so I didn't take any sell. Let's go ahead now, check this possible setup on gold that we had today, and let's go ahead and discuss. So possible buys were above here, for example, but this setup was captured after price didn't break the lows, but then next candle price broke the low and then closed bullish, so it invalidated our setup. I just took it just for the sake of I noted here as not activated just for the sake of journaling, and I acted here as not activated setup trade. So price broke and close above, clean traffic to left-hand side. Next candle didn't break the previous lows, because this was the time where we did the analysis, but before activating it actually broke the previous meaning low, which invalidated our trading setup. So now we go in another setup, which was GJ. I was expecting buys above here or buys above here, but then after this candle, in this 1 hour after this candle closure, we should have just moved up and straight up. We should have been on buys above here, since we have New York Open and bullish momentum on GJ, so we should have been in a trade, but I didn't take this trade, unfortunately. Maybe there is this setup. Yeah, there is this setup, for example, that I also in 30 minutes I also didn't manage to this was the setup again here. Oh, actually this before setup here was for this case here, which I was expecting at this analysis price to either come up or come down, but we never come down, so we were not activated in this setup as noted here, because now that I saw here not activated and the general price moved up, I never brought the support to activate our setup. So this is not activated setup, and then we go ahead and we can check what happened. This was before, this was the second candle, just move up, candle close with no wick at the top, anticipating for no buys above here, because initially this was, but my resistance should have been here, because this is the most recent. I took it right over here, which is like far behind. We should have been considering this resistance here. As soon as we break and close above this resistance, this should have been the trading time, which would have been like this, closed above here, and then basically, yeah, this is entry, aka entry candle. After seeing also this candle on 30-minute, which is our candle formation, buy from here, stop loss, move here, or buy from here, stop loss till here, would have been an amazing setup. But then we immediately, because very small wick or no wick at the top, made this very hard to enter buys. Immediately we start rejecting, and then we were only in a range all day. After this rejection here, you can see we were always in a range here. So the buys should have been above here, because this resistance initially it was right over here, but then should have been here, close above, next candle just move up. So yeah, that's about it for today. Setups. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow on a daily roundup, on a daily forecast video, which will analyze the after we see some more data printing, because now we're about to enter the Tokyo session, and I don't trade Tokyo session. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel, and yeah, see you tomorrow.